Hello guys, now we would like to discuss about functions. For example, functions role in Python is very much essential. Why we are using functions? For example, writing a code a lot of time, how I can say, repeating the same operations several times. It's kind of very much time consuming, and it's not so effective way of coding. Yes. And that's why we use we use functions. Functions are very much essential. Functions will automate our process, and it will give a lot of opportunity for us. For example, let me give one example. For example, we would like to create a system. For example, everyone has a certain amount of salary, but from that we are paying the kind of taxes. Tax. For example, tax amount. For example, if we give the n number of salary is n, what? Income tax. You have to pay is, for example, according to Kazakhstan's rule, it's kind of 10% of our income taxes multiplied by n. N is our salary. Suppose, for example, tax. Here I'm writing tax, and I would like to specify what amount of money what I'm paying. Getting, for example, let's suppose say if in 500,000 tenge, income tax is 50,000 tenge. Yes, it shows in. Okay, next one. Okay, except tax we are paying what? Definition, for example, pension deposit, PENDEP. And okay guys, I don't want to repeat it again. For example, I do also recommend use the same stuff. V what? Income, pension, pension deposit you have to pay is what? According to our rule, it's 0.8% of our salary. Yes. Suppose if I write print and pension deposit you have to pay is amount is 40,000. For example, I want to calculate with, suppose someone gets 100,000 tenge. Sorry, PENDEP. Pension deposit I have to pay will be 8,000 tenge. Yes. Okay, so on, because it will give us kind of maneuver. For example, we don't want to repeat it, we want to write formula again and again. For example, suppose if we have a lot of functions, what we'll have? It will be kind of so confusing, yeah? So on. And I think it's very much essential in economics area. We have models. For example, when all these functions build, it will create kind of one module or library called, and for example, all these modules will create one library. For example, when we come to machine learning, we are importing from scikit-learn, from pandas, and there are sort of libraries inside each libraries. The libraries. It's called library. How I can say, there exist models like we can understand functions is a one page, models as a book, library as a library. For example, from whole library we can take one book, and from there we can take one several pages, maybe chapters. Yes, it's kind of so. It's highly used on implement in the industry. It's kind of very much essential, because that's why it eased our life. For example, one guy in Netherlands or Europe, in Asia, creates, even in Kazakhstan, creates one amazing library around the globe. Everyone can use if he adds on GitHub, GitHub platform, and everyone can download and use it. Especially in machine learning, AI, it's kind of so highly used. Okay, guys, it was very brief topic. See you.